Okay, so let's get started. The first thing, like they normally say, is you have to break a few eggs, right? Okay, we're not making an omelet, but French toast does require eggs, and we're going to take and break 3 this morning. If you're only making a couple of pieces, you should only need 1, but this is where we start. And one little hack here, always take your eggs, if you're going to lay them out on the counter, and put them on something like a cloth so they don't roll off and, well, you know, make the mess. I like to break the eggs right by the sink. Gives you a nice little place to crack them. And if there's a little bit of spillage, it's easy cleanup. Here. Easy, easy. Okay. From here, we're going to move over. And just like that. Got a few things set up. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the eggs and stir them up. I always like to break my eggs before I put anything in them. I think they mix a little bit better that way. Okay, at this point we're just going to put in some milk. And yeah, I kind of do this by feel. I always do like a 50-50 mix. Like so. That's about it. Now here's the fun part. Adding a little cinnamon. Put a little cinnamon in, that's great. I find I end up sprinkling some on anyway. Yeah, about like so. Notice I'm not measuring much of anything here. This is one of the beauties of French toast. You don't really need to measure. You get the hang of it after the first or second try. From that point forward, it's just, you know, mix and go. Alright. Put that back, put this back. Always put our milk back in the fridge. So, now you will need a place to put your mixture. It should look something about like that. There we go. Tell you what, let me bring you over here. I like to use this bowl that I found in my kitchen, in my cabinets. It works perfectly because it's got a nice flat, broad bottom. If you can find a bowl like this, great. If not, don't worry about it so much. It's not that big a deal. This one just makes the job a little easier. You can use just about any bowl that you can put a slice of bread in. Okay, so now we're ready to make a little French toast. There we go, nice hot pan. Maybe a little warmer than I want. Off for a sec. I like butter. You don't have to use the butter, but I think it comes out better if you do. Okay. And so we grab ourselves a little bit of bread here. Like I say, I love this flat bottom bowl, even though you don't have to have a flat bottom bowl. It works really nicely. Just drop it in, flip it over, drain it off, and put it in. As you can see, a lot of people will put the cinnamon directly in the wash. I do too, but you probably end up having to add a little bit more. So I keep it handy. Taking a little bit here. A little sprinkle, sprinkle. And there we go. Okay, looks like it's about time to flip. You can just check them once in a while.
Daddy.
Hey, little guy. Yeah, there's a little guy. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. And they will stick together. Yes, he's already had a piece and he's probably looking for more. Do you want some more French toast, little guy?
Yeah, but I can't put the French toast on there.
Ah, we'll help you out. Okay, so this is pretty much how French toast is made. It's pretty simple, it's pretty quick. The kids love it. So just be careful. This stuff actually does hold heat for quite a while after you take it out of the pan. So just be careful not to burn.